Guys, may papakilala ako sa inyo. Si Arian, napakaganda niya. Tara. Ito po ang entrance gate ng Highview Haciendas Subdivision. Ito po yung daan going to Clark International Airport, NLEX at Mabalacat Town proper. 15 minutes away, nasa Clark Freeport Zone na po tayo. At sa daan naman po ito, papuntang Magalang, Pampanga at ang Concepcion Tarlac. Malapit din po dito ang SCTEX. Dito po sa harapan ng Highview Haciendas, may sakayan po tayo dito going straight to Mabalacat Town proper to Balibago, malapit sa SM Clark. Now I'm going to show you how beautiful inside Highview Haciendas. Let's go. Ito si Arian Model Unit with 77 square meter for the lot area and 32 square meter for the floor area. Single attached. Ganito po kaaliwalas ang harap ni Arian. If you acquire or invest this property, you have your extra lot on this side. Pwede po natin ipa-fence and gate. At nasa inyo na po kung gaano natin siya pagagandahin. The more nagaganda po ang kanyang fence and gate, the more gaganda ang harap ng ating bahay. On this side, we have the vehicle carport. Pwede kasya po ang isang sasakyan, either SUV or sedan. I'm going to show you the inside of Arian Model Unit. Let's go for the house tour. Nasa loob na po tayo ng ating Arian Model Unit at ito po ang kanyang living space. At dito rin po ang kanyang dining area. Meron na po siyang lababo. Included na rin po ang kanyang sink and faucet. So nasa inyo na po kung maglalagay tayo ng hanging cabinet right away. And I will show you the bedroom 1. And also the bedroom 2. We have also the common CR. So pagka-turnover po ng bahay sa inyo, naka-tiles na rin po siya. This is the extra lot at the back na pwede po nating gawin service area or ang ating dirty kitchen. Nasa inyo na po, upon turnover, you can extend your extra lot. Pwede po natin ipabakod dito hanggang doon. Let's go inside again, guys. How to avail this property? You can screenshot the sample computation of Pag-ibig financing. You can also screenshot the in-house financing sample computation. Before I end this video, mga katuknangan, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tuknangan. And you can message me in my FB page, same, Tuknangan. And for more details, you can call me in this number. Now I'm going to show you the turnover unit of Arian Model. My name is Romel Malyari, Unit Manager from Makatangay Realty. Dream home you deserve. People you trust.